If you are not sure which e-commerce idea is right for you, this video might help you decide. So don't go anywhere. Number 1 is dropshipping. It's a popular e-commerce business concept. With this model, you can sell a product even if you don't own it. Yes, you heard it right. Once you have sold the product, then you order it from the supplier and they send it straight to your customer. The tasks like shipping, packing, and handling of inventory is not done by you. The supplier handles all these tasks. The work for you is to choose and sell the right product to your target market. Number 2 is subscription e-commerce. The subscription business model is different from most e-commerce. Customers can sign up for a plan and get the subscription box regularly. There are 2 good things about the subscription business model. One benefit is cost savings and the other is consumer convenience. They only need to order once and they get delivery as and when they need it. When they sign up for a business model service, they also get discounts. A little reminders, because most of the time you forget this, and if you want to see more videos like this one, don't forget to click the like button, and who wouldn't welcome an additional stream of passive income. So subscribe this channel and like this video. Number 3 is create and sell online courses. Since the pandemic, most businesses can't do business without online training and learning. Estimates say that by 2025, the e-learning market will be worth $325 billion. There has never been a better time to start with e-learning than right now. Once you know what you want to teach, you can offer it as an online course on sites like Udemy and Teachables. Number 4 is publish ebooks online. It is now easier than ever to self-publish a book on Amazon. It's free and takes less than 5 minutes to set up an account and publish your book. In some places, you can get a royalty of up to 70% on sales. But how much you can make depends on how good the story is, what niche it fits into, and how you plan to market it. If you write a good book, you could make anywhere from a few $100s to $1,000 a month. To increase your ebook sales revenue, you should continue to develop and publish ebooks. The more you will write and publish, the more you will be in the market. Number 5 is sell via online marketplaces. You can start selling your items on Etsy, Amazon, and Shopify, which are all online marketplaces and platforms. How much money you can make depends on what you want to sell, how many people want it, and where you want to sell it. You could start making a few $100s the first month, but it could take a while. Perfect. So from all these ideas, we have seen that if you want to start any business, whether it's online or in physical marketplace, the thing is that you have researched well and then you market your idea and your product. So these are the 2 things that you have to master before starting any business anywhere. If this video was helpful for you, please like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for your time. Take care.